Alonso? Wow, it's been years since the last time I saw you, my friend.
Wow, I can't believe it. Melanie, you look fantastic. I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, thank you. You're so cute as usual. How have you been?
I'm great. It's been an excellent year for me. You know I graduated last month.
No, I did not know that. But it's amazing. What did you study? Medicine?
I was studying medicine, but not anymore. I graduated in laws.
Interesting. Well, congratulations, friend. And are you working already?
Yeah, I am working in the Main Street building. What about you? Are you working?
Yeah, I am an engineer in Manhattan Corporation office. It is amazing.
Wow, good for you. Melanie, let me tell you, you really look so beautiful today.
Oh, you make me blush, Alonso. Stop it. Well, you also look good, you know.
Really? But I have put on a little weight. I used to be slim and fit, don't you remember?
Of course, I remember you very well. I used to see you in the school every day.
Did you used to see me when we were studying in the school? I did not know that.
Of course, we were studying together. It was normal to see each other every day.
Oh, sure. Of course. That's what I meant. It was normal, you know. See each other.
Relax, Alonso. Why are you so nervous? Are you okay?
I am. In fact, I am more than okay. It is just that. I wanted to ask you something.
Oh, sure. You can tell me. Is there anything I can help you with?
I am not sure yet. I have to ask you first. Are you still seeing Christopher?
No, I'm not seeing him anymore. To be honest, I don't want to talk about him today.
Oh, I see. What did he do? I can talk to him if he hurt you or anything.
Seriously, Alonso. I don't feel like talking about him right now, please.
Sure. Don't worry. I'm sorry about that. It's just that you are a great person. And I don't want anybody to hurt you. You were always so nice to me.
Thank you for that. But I am gonna be okay. You don't have to worry.
Okay, then. Well, I want to ask you if maybe you would like to go out with me?
Are you asking me out? Wow, I never expected that from you, Alonso.
Yes, I mean, I don't know what I was thinking about. I'm sorry. Just forget it.
Why would I do that? I would love to go to drink something or eating in a nice restaurant.
Seriously? You are not joking? Are you going to go out with me?
Of course. What's wrong with that? I mean, we're friends, right?
Yeah, sure. We will go out just as friends. I would love to go out with you too.
Great. So, where are we going then? To the movies?
Oh, it all depends on you. Where do you want to go? To the movies?
Actually, I know a good restaurant out of the city. We can go there and eat something.
That's okay for me. When can we go? Do you have time? Maybe tomorrow?
What? No, tomorrow is too soon for me. I have to work tomorrow, don't you?
Oh, yeah. You're right. I'm sorry. It's just that I got excited about the date.
Don't worry. What about the next weekend? Are you free?
I don't work on weekends, so yeah, I can go out those days. When exactly?
Let's go out on Saturday. I think it would be better that day.
Saturday is great for me. What time are we meeting on Saturday, then?
I was thinking about 1 or 2 in the afternoon. What do you say?
At 1 o'clock is great. Shall I go to pick you up or you prefer to meet in any other place?
You know what? I will pick you up at your home. Give me your address.
Are you sure about that? Because I can go to your home if you want.
That's okay, Alonso. I will pass by your home. Just give me your address.
All right. It's 456 Evergreen Street. It's next to the old cinema.
I know that cinema. I usually go there on Sundays. We should go together sometime.
Seriously? I did not know that. And of course, we can go together someday.
Well, then I will pick you up at 1 o'clock at your home in this address.
Yeah. And if you have any problems to get there, just call me. Can I give you my number?
Oh, sure. I was just about to ask you for your phone number, too.
Okay. It's 505 to 545,212. Alonso Pickman.
Great. I have your number now. I will see you the next Sunday.
Okay. Maybe we can go to drink something or just walk after having lunch, can't we?
We will see. If we have fun that day, we can go to dance to a disco.
That sounds good. I will be looking forward to that day, then. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. You are so weird, but funny at the same time. Ha ha.
Yeah. Sorry. It's just that I'm a little nervous, but anyway. You wanna dance?
I love dancing, so yeah. This is a party. Let's dance.